Hi guys, welcome back. This is Maths 3000. Today I'm going to show you how to work out the gradient of a curved graph. So you can do this by drawing a tangent at the point which you need to find the gradient at. So a tangent is a line which just touches the curve at that point. It doesn't pass through the graph, it just touches the edge of it. So let's have a look at the two examples which we have here. So example 1, use the graph to estimate the gradient at x equals 2. Okay, so first of all let's find our point. So x is 2 is here, and our point on the graph is this point here. So I've just put a dot at that point. And the next thing you need to do then is do a tangent at that point. So it's just a line which just touches the curve at that point. Okay, so it'd be something like this. It's quite a steep line. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is work out the gradient of this tangent. Okay, so the way I'm going to do it is just use the top point and the bottom point, and let's make a right angled triangle using those 2 points, and then we just need to find the height and the base of our triangle. Okay, so the height of our triangle then goes from -6 up to +8. So if we do 8 take away -6, that will be a difference of 14. And if we do our base of our right angled triangle, so our base goes from 0.4 to 3. So it'd be 3 take away 0.4. So that is a difference of 2.6. Okay, so to get our gradient then, we do the height of our triangle and divide it by the base of the triangle. So we do 14 divided by 2.6. So let's use our calculator now. So if we do our answer to 2 decimal places, so 14 divided by 2.6, and that is 5.38. Again, once we've done it, just check whether the gradient is positive or negative. So this is a positive slope. If it was down the other way, then we'd have to put a minus in front of our answer. Okay, so let's look at example 2 then. So we've got to use the graph to estimate the gradient at x equals 0. Okay, so x equals 0 is here on the x-axis. So if we go up to our graph, so our point on our graph is at y equals 6. So we've got to do a tangent at this point here. So it's just a line touching at that point. So it's something like that. Okay, so if we make a right angled triangle, I think this time it would probably be easier to do it above the line. You could do it below the line, it would still be the same answer. Okay, so again we use that point there and the point at the top. So if we make a right angled triangle, okay, so we need to work out the height first of all. So it goes from -5.2 up to 8. So the height would be 8 take away -5.2. So that will be 13.2. And the base of our triangle, it goes from -6 to 1. So 1 take away -6. So that is a difference of 7. So to get our gradient, we do the height, which is 13.2, divided by the base, which was 7. So again, let's just use our calculator. If we do our answer to 2 decimal places again, so 13.2 divided by 7, so that is 1.89. Again, check whether it is a positive or negative gradient. Well, again, it's going upwards across our page, so we leave it as 1.89. So, I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.